Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and makeup. And in today's video, I will be talking about what were the best body care products. Yes, I will be talking about body care, and I have already done two similar videos on my channel. One related to makeup and one is purely related to skin care, so you guys can check out those videos as well. Like everything will be in the link in the description box. Everything will be in the description box down below. So let's begin the video without wasting any more time. So I will begin with the body scrub, not face scrub. So for face scrub, I will be mentioning McAfee's body scrub, one and only. I think it's a cult favorite. Like everyone, like this is a beautiful scrub. Like I have used this scrub so much, about to get over, and I already have one more bottle with me. Like I love this scrub. Like it like even being a scrub, it keeps your body very soft, supple, glowing. It doesn't feel like that you have exfoliated and it's not drying. That is the best thing about this like scrub. And fragrance, obviously a dedicated review about this product is already there on my channel. Like it's not a sponsored video, I'm not getting paid to like talk about any of the products which I'm mentioning in the video. Like all are my absolute favorite products, like my ride or die products which I cannot survive without. So like again, it is like इसका हालत ही देख के आप लोगों को समझ आ गया होगा कि like how much I have used it. Like the main ingredients in this one is coffee, of course, and coconut. That is why like it keeps your body so soft even after you have exfoliated. And I exfoliate once in a week, or sometimes like once in 2 weeks. Like my proper shower routine is also there on my channel if you want to see like how I pamper my body and how I pamper myself once or twice in a month. You guys can check out the video. Like it is such a detailed and amazing, I think very helpful video for all the beginners out there. Now coming on to the body washes, like I don't have a body wash that I can add in a yearly favorite because I love Lux one. Like that is one like that got over like 1 or 2 days back, and I didn't even like think, and I threw it away. So I cannot show you the bottle, but Lux body washes are amazing. Other than that, I didn't came across any body wash. And if you guys know any body wash, please let me know. I want to try body washes. थोड़ा soapy हो, not gel type. I don't like gel kind of body washes because वो stick हो जाते हैं and like they don't get off easily. So yes, so next category of this, what were the best products, like body care products of 2020, I will talk about this body oil. Like मेरी वीडियो में एक ब्लू नेक्टर का प्रोडक्ट तो होगा ही होगा. Like they make amazing products, like, and I am in love with this brand. Like they are truly amazing. Like this is their body oil. I religiously use it at night. अभी यहाँ तक आ गया है. So yes, so I absolutely love this one. It's their Bala Luxury Jasmine Vitamin D Massage Oil. So it contains 8 herbs, like which are the main ingredients of this one. So everything is there in the like description and everything. Ingredients are also mentioned: Bala, Lux People, like other things, sunflower, almond oil, like all these things are there. So like this I use at night before going to bed. I follow a good nighttime skincare routine because तभी मेरे पास थोड़ा time होता है कि that I can dedicate it to myself. So yeah, I feel that all the magic happens in the night. So I am a firm believer in maintaining a proper nighttime skincare routine, and if you guys want me to make a video regarding that, let me know. I will make one. So yes, like this is one of the best oils. Again, I'm a big oil person. I recommend all kind of oils to you guys: almond oil, olive oil, coconut oil. Like I'm a coconut oil person. Like if nothing works for you, use coconut oil. Trust me guys, if nothing works, coconut oil will come as a hero and save you. So the next product I will talk about hand creams. I didn't used to use hand creams previously, but like they work amazingly. So I will recommend McAfee's hand cream. Like I use it little bit as a mask or like conditioner for my hair as well. Like it's a weird tip, but it works for me. So yeah, I use this hand cream for that purpose as well. But other than that, like again, you all must be knowing that McAfee के products तो वैसे ही amazing होते हैं. So the next is this Dio. Nike का Dio है. Like it's very, the fragrance of this one is so amazing. I love using this one. Like taking care of your hygiene is so important. Like it's a step that is non-negotiable, that you cannot compromise with your hygiene. Like use good deos, perfumes, soaps, wash yourself properly. That is very important. Take care of your feet, your hands. So yes, for like if you guys are looking for a good deo that is budget friendly, you guys can check out Nike's one, this pink one. This is pink deodorant. So the fragrance of this one is so amazing. I'm also looking for other deos that you feel are good. So again, your recommendations are most welcome in the comment section. Things that I want to add in this video, like it is a body care like video, but still I wanted to add these two products because I wanted to like create awareness for this, that removing your makeup is very important, that like you should not skip on this step. So for makeup removal, I have two products with me. This Bioderma Micellar Water. This is such a fabulous micellar water. Like you dunk it on your cotton or like whatever cloth you are using, and with one swipe all your makeup comes off. Like this is little strong, I feel. If you are doing a like heavy base or heavy makeup, then you use this Bioderma one. And if you are like you want to cleanse your face and then like wipe all the dirt and like whatever little makeup you have done, then you can go ahead with this one, Garnier's Micellar Water. Like this is also one of the amazing micellar waters that I have come across. Like you can see मैंने इतना use कर लिया because I don't do heavy makeup even for my videos. For like right now what I did little bit of my eyebrows, my eyeliner, kajal, lipstick, that's it. I'm not wearing any foundation, anything on my face today. So yes, this is amazing. If you are wearing light makeup, then you can go for Garnier's one. And if you are wearing heavy makeup, and if you are wearing light makeup also, you can go with Bioderma. But yes, like I like to keep it for the heavy stuff. These are my two go-to makeup remover products. Like guys, even if you are like dead tired, you are coming home at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, remove your makeup, because you don't sleep in your tight party clothes, right? How can you imagine your skin sleeping with that tight party clothes, like that tight makeup that is on your skin, and then it will cause breakouts. Like I have heard so many people talking about like makeup से breakouts हो गए. Like no, makeup से breakouts नहीं होते, makeup से skin खराब नहीं होता है. Using bad makeup products cause you breakouts, your skin to act weirdly, or not removing your makeup will destroy your skin. All these things, like makeup use करने से skin नहीं खराब होती है. So my next and last category of this body care products 2020 are body lotions. Like look at the ginormous bottles I am holding in my hand. So I will begin by showing you McAfee's Naked and Rich Choco body lotion. Like this is such a amazing moisturizer, guys. Like you take it and you slap it on your arms, your body, your feet. Like this works wonderfully. Main ingredient of this one is choco. So yeah, deeply moisturizes your skin. It's not sticky. It's amazing. Now coming on to the second moisturizer body lotion is this Vaseline moisturizer. Like, look at the huge bottle. Like, I like take such a huge amount of body lotion and like apply it on my body. My husband said तू एक काम कर, क्रीम में नहा ही लेना, मतलब इतना लगा रही है तो. Like, this is how much I love applying moisturizer, and like this is such a fabulous moisturizer, guys. Like, body lotion. So it is this cream, like simple variant of theirs. Like, I have other variants as well. I have pink, I have chocolate one. Although I didn't like chocolate one that much, it was a little bit drying for me. So this is like deep restore with pure oat extraction. It's long lasting moisturizer. Trust me guys, once I have used it in the morning, I don't have to apply moisturizer again. I keep saying moisturizer. I don't have to apply the body lotion again and again on myself. It keeps my body hydrated, feeling fresh throughout the day. So yeah, I think हम सब इंडियंस के घर में ये वैसलीन का बॉटल तो होगा ही होगा. So next is this Nivea's body lotion. Like, again, this is also my favorite. Can't live without this, can't survive without this. I don't know what I will do with if they stop making this moisturizer. Like, body lotion, what is wrong with me? So I it's even scary to think about it. Like, what will I do then? I gravitate towards it so much. Like, it deeply moisturizes your skin. Like, these are the moisturizers. Body lotions, I'm telling you, are like fabulous, fantabulous, I must say. Next, I will talk about this body butter. It is again McAfee's body butter. It's not a sponsored video by McAfee. I just love their products so much. One thing I find is like little bit negative, like it's not travel friendly. Like, इसका जो ये है, ये glass का bottle है, तो I cannot take it with me. It's so thick in consistency. Again, like I use it so much daily. Amazing. So if you guys are looking for a body butter, you guys can go ahead with this one. So yes guys, this is it with the body care products. I hope this video was helpful, and if you guys are looking for some recommendation, you found it in this video. And if you want to make any more like videos like this, like any yearly or best products or best in any category, you let me know. I will do one for you. So yeah, let me know what do you think about this video and what were your favorite products. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.